Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivadasan Madhavan, Associate Professor of English and Research Guide in Wolaita Sodo University, Ethiopia. Today I am going to talk about the philosophy of research. The other day we have seen the research paradigms, and the scholar Buber says research paradigms can be realized through the philosophy of research or the research philosophy. And he means research philosophy called ontology, epistemology, methodology, and axiology. So, when we talk about the philosophy of research, people may be sometimes confused. Why do you talk about philosophy when you talk about research? The exact meaning of philosophy of research is, it is the underlying intellectual basis of scientific research. A scientific research will have an intellectual basis. That is the research philosophy. The meaning of philosophy is a set of beliefs and attitudes to life. So here in that sense we can say research philosophy refers to a set of beliefs and attitudes to life of research. A set of beliefs and attitudes to research or the life of research. Or you can say the other definition is philosophy is the study of nature and meaning of universe and life. In that sense also we can say that research philosophy refers to the nature and meaning of the universe and life of research, or in short, it is the nature and meaning of research. So the term becomes meaningful there also. Most of the time, even the students who join the PhD course do not know the importance of philosophy. Philosophically, if you design the research, it becomes perfectly scientific. It begins with ontology. The term ontology means the study of being, that is, being in the sense of exist. In other words, we can say ontology is the existentialism. Actually, existentialism is another philosophical movement which started in Europe in 60s and 70s of last century. And here we don't refer to that movement, that philosophical movement is there, but we don't refer to that. Here, ontology means the existence of knowledge, that is reality. A research is to find out. I told you the other day that research is hunting for knowledge. So knowledge is the awareness that we acquire through education and experience. So what you get after the research is knowledge. So knowledge is reality, and that reality has two aspects. It can be either single or multiple. Single reality or multiple reality. So ontologically, a research can find out a single reality or multiple realities. For example, if you talk about God, some people say that there is only one God, that is single reality. Some others say, no, there are different types of incarnations of God, or there are different gods. So there it is multiple reality. So that is not our concern here. We are talking about reality. Reality can be either single or multiple. So that is the basis of ontology. So the ontological question of your research will answer whether your findings are single or multiple. And this ontological question will lead you to epistemology. Epistemology is the study of knowledge. Study of knowledge. What is knowledge? What does it say, etc. And how do you find it out, etc. So epistemology refers to the study of knowledge, And there also you can have it in two different ways. You can have it either from inside or from outside. That means you can become a part of what you study, or you can observe it from outside. So it can be emic or etic. Emic means from inside, etic means from outside. A very interesting example that I saw on website is that emic study, an example of emic study. A person who studies the jar in which fish is kept enters inside the jar and swims along with the fish, and even touches the fish and measures the area of the space that is occupied by the fish, etc. That is from inside. And another person studies the same aquarium from outside. He stays outside and measures the size of the aquarium, the height, width, length, and color of the fish, and the quantity of water it has, etc. So you can study it from inside or outside. So epistemologically, studies can be from inside or outside. So epistemological question of the research will have the answer that you study it being a part of the data or from outside the data. That is possible. And when you study these type of the emic and etic studies, it will definitely lead you to the methodology. What method do you adopt? Is it inductive method or deductive method? Inductive method means the qualitative aspect of research, qualitative study. You look into the opinions, views, ideas, etc. as data, and you analyze it and come to a conclusion. The other one is deductive. Deductive is quantitative research, exact measurement, mathematical or statistical calculation, numerical data, etc. That is deductive. Or it can be both together, that is mixed research. So methodology, when you talk about epistemology, you have to talk about methodology also. To get that type of research results, what method do you follow? Either deductive method or inductive method or mixed method. And when you talk about this method of study, the last part is why do you study? The axiology. Axiology is a social commitment. Axiologically, the result of the research shows the value. What value do you have? Whether your research results are valuable to the society. Is it good for the community? Is it good for the fellow beings? If it is useless, if it is not good for the people, no need of making a study like that. So axiologically, a study must be useful to the society. That means it must have, a research must have social commitment. So these are the intellectual basis of research, a hidden intellectual basis. People don't talk about it, but it is understood. Research students and research scholars and research examiners, etc., know all these fundamental principles which underlie the research studies. And we will come to all of these one by one in our coming lectures. Until then, bye.